Lagosbound train breaks down. Stranded passengers panic. Hi guys, I'm TP and you are watching Naija EU TV. This is News Update. Travelers on a Lagos-bound train were stranded on Monday after the locomotive developed a fault in the middle of a forest. A Twitter user, Yinka Seth, who tweeted the incident, claimed that some steel parts of the rail tracks were removed by some hoodlums. The tweet read, "My first tweet went out about 8:12 a.m. It is now 8:31 a.m. and the train has stopped twice. The current explanation is that some steel parts of the rail tracks have been removed. That is the thing about bad governance and citizenship. Eventually, it will touch everybody." We are less than 5 minutes from Monia in Ibadan, and the train has grinded to a halt. Judging by the timestamp of the videos I made, we've stopped for 10 minutes without any explanation. At 8:29 a.m., we spotted someone holding a stick. Appeared to either be a video call or making videos of the halted train. Passengers are tense and it is becoming harder to sit still. I do not believe a team was sent. That may be due to the fact that my observation only focused on my vantage point. However, I did see 2 armed police officers on board who were active when the train stopped. Efforts to reach the spokesperson for the Nigerian Railway Corporation, Yakubu Mahmood, proved abortive. Guys, Aso Rock, the Nigerian government villa, will be spending 14 billion naira on internet. So, this is how it will go. The presidential villa plans to spend 14.8 billion naira on internet access, stationery, and telephone charges, among others, under the federal government's planned expenditure captured in the 2023 budget. In the budget, 67.1 million naira was budgeted for internet access to the villa, while stationery and computer consumables will be 79 million naira. A further breakdown of the budget also showed that 35.9 million naira was allocated for electricity charges, telephone charges, and water rates. Each got 306.2 million naira, 6 million naira, and 40.6 million naira, respectively. Out of the total budget for the villa, 1.6 billion naira would be spent on personnel costs. Meanwhile, the sum of 35 million naira was budgeted for books and newspapers, with newspapers alone taking 26.4 million naira and books gulping 8.5 million naira. The President, Major General Muhammadu Buhari, retired on Friday, presented to a joint session of the National Assembly a budget proposal of 20.51 trillion naira for the 2023 fiscal year. The budget is about 750 billion naira higher than the 19.76 trillion earlier proposed in the 2023-2025 medium-term expenditure framework and fiscal strategy paper. Wow. Ahead of the federal government budget's presentation, the House of Representatives on Thursday passed the 2023-2025 medium-term expenditure framework and fiscal strategy paper, which the president earlier presented to the National Assembly. My people, the passage followed the consideration of the report of the committee on Friday. The House approved an aggregate federal government of Nigeria expenditure of 19.76 trillion naira, made of total recurrent non-debt of 8.53 trillion naira personnel costs. So, my people, make sure you subscribe to our channel for more news. Click like and share. God bless you. I remain TP. Keep watching Naija EU TV.